Good evening, everyone. Before we get into the intro, I want to go over a quick synopsis of what to expect in tonight's update. First thing, Bitcoin is forming a bearish cross in the 30-minute time frame using the EMA lines, the 20, 50, 100, and 200 day. What we need to pay attention to not get trapped if this is a fake out to the downside and we have higher aspirations up to 25 or even 26K, and what you should be looking for to validate a breakdown and confirmation for more than just a quick wick. We'll be looking at not only the XRP technicals, but I'll also be answering a question from one of the audience members in the comments asking about the XRP tokenomics. So I have a nice little rundown for you so you'll have a better understanding and you'll leave this update more informed, not only on the charts, but the facts based around XRP and the tokenomics when you leave this update. I appreciate each and every one of you, and as I play this intro, do me a favor and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps push me through the analytics. And there's nothing, and I mean nothing more than I enjoy, than XRP, covering XRP, and talking to each and every one of you. You bless me each and every day. And Francisco, you've truly humbled me, sending me that super thanks in a previous video in the comments. I can't even thank you enough, my friend. So bless you and bless everybody watching me. Good evening. 8:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, February 2nd, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. As I stated in the opening, we'll get started with Bitcoin. Hopefully you hit that like button as it quickly when the video gets released. If you hit that like button immediately, it'll help push me through the analytics. Got to get my information out to more people who want to see the truth, who don't want to see the FUD, and who want to stay up to the minute, up to the date. So what I was alluding to is this bearish cross is forming. I believe it's just now in this candle done its job, signaling the technical traders to put in a short. Oftentimes, not always. Now it'll come back up to this 23,675, 680 level just to hit some stop losses on the newly formed shorts, as people with the 25, 50, 100, and 150X, if they don't understand how to use their full liquidation to their advantage, they will get stop lossed out of here in a quick wick up, and then it'll continue to move down. Right now, what you're looking for confirmation here is a breach of this low right here at 23,376, and that would confirm the move farther down. You'd break the 20-day and the 30-minute time frame. But you've already know we have a bearish cross that's happened, and unless we get on top of this and make a move out and hold, now for this to break back, you'd have to get plus 24K to invalidate this move. So I'm pretty sure, I'm not a financial advisor, but what my eyes are telling me and what the charts are telling me is we're having a bearish cross, and Bitcoin is likely going to have a move down on this bear flag, and it should get us back to the consolidation zone right around the 23,000 level. It could come down a little bit more, but that seems to be a fair range. And if we're looking at just a short-term pattern, and I don't like to just draw everywhere because then you get all these squiggly lines, but when it's relevant for the next move, I have no problem doing it. Nobody should be saying anything otherwise because you're trying to objectively look at the chart. I don't like to use the magnets. Chris is going to beat me over the head, but I know it's easier, Chris, and I know you make your charts look way better than mine, but I just don't like the magnet. I don't know why. I never have. But you are right. So the uptrending support here, January 30th, it started. We got another hit here on the uptrending support on February 1st. So we're just trying to get pattern confluency. So 22,991 could be a beautiful spot. So right at the 23,000 area. So if we were playing a short, you'd play at the 23K would be your, the thinking from the market makers here. With the bearish cross, if you're using indicators and you don't understand the move, that's where you would play the short. So you'd play it. I'm not telling you that's where the technical traders are playing it. That's what I'm saying I would play it too if I was caught up in this move. You have to make a decision for yourself, but we have a bearish cross, and as long as that gets confirmed with a hold on a rejection around the 23,700 level, can come up a little more on a wick because they're going to try to liquidate people, but you don't really want it to go much higher than 23,800. You want to confirm this move, this bear flag, and continue down on this Batman top, and then hit this uptrending support. If you're going to have any hope of holding it, Bitcoin would hold that 22,990 level approximately. Now, what does that mean for XRP? I'm glad you asked. XRP is sitting at 0.4102, and what we're looking at is same thing, the technical trader setup. And I like to come on at strategic times, and I can't thank you enough for the outpouring in the last video. If you want to know why I think XRP is going sub 20 cents still and the lows aren't in, go check out that video. That's all I've said, and I've said too much. There's the bearish cross there on the 30-minute time frame. It hasn't happened yet, but it's about to, just like Bitcoin. Now, to invalidate this move that's coming, you'd have to get back on top of here. Now you'd have to get on top of this downtrending resistance and break out of this 415 area and push up and have higher aspirations. But assuming this holds, now I feel like you've got an opportunity at the, the technical traders will be looking, let's just say at the 407. And this is not financial advice. This is just me speaking on a market perspective so you can see how they can trap the technical traders. Now we're getting a technical signal flash here. So we're going to see if this actually bearish cross forms. We've seen on Bitcoin that it's already started. Now, mind you, this is still in a bull flag. So now the question would be, how far does this come down? With XRP, 407 seems to be that point. If we break that, that would allow you to get the short down to about the 3955 level, in my opinion. Could it come down further? Absolutely, because if it doesn't hold, you've got this level down here at about, conveniently, that is the level. That's the level we speak of. So yes, we're looking for a tap back down here. So basically what happened, and we don't need the indicator of the bearish cross. We already knew that this was being rejected. Once it got rejected, and this is what I'm talking about. You don't need to rely on the technical trading. But what it does, is allows you to understand what's going on the charts. And then we can use the technical side with the EMA lines to verify our best entry points either way we're attacking this market. So right now you had a rejection over here. All right, let me get my real quick so everybody can see. So we had a rejection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections now on this downtrending resistance. And this downtrending resistance, ladies and gentlemen, it's not like it happened 2 years ago. This downtrending resistance happened on January 23rd. So you've had 5 rejections. So now, because it hasn't been able to pass up unless we get a wick and this bull flag plays out now, you would get a retouch over here to verify that we even have the support to continue moving up and to try it a 6th time. And if it breaks up, I have no doubt that 446 would be the overall move unless it hits 46 cent area. But the next overall push outside of 432 would be that 446, because 432 has been very strong resistance, or the 43 cent level, wherever you want to put it. It's been very strong, and it hasn't allowed that push up to the 446 level. So that's what I'm looking for XRP. And then if it does pull down and make that bearish cross and continue down, we already know the level at the 396 level, 3955. Right down in here. So that's how we trade the market. And the technical traders, even if they lined up right at the cross, you might be able to get it a little bit higher. But it allows you to have a basic understanding, if you don't understand the markets, of where the technical traders hide out. They would be playing this bearish cross for a short. You just look for these anomaly setups. And right now it looks like a mild bear flag. Should get a rejection here at like the 412, maybe the 413, just to confuse people. But I think right around the 412 should be an appropriate rejection. So anybody who got in around the 408, I still think the 407 is the ultimate indicator. It breaks that, you push through and you break down. So I don't authorize anybody to leverage trade or anything like that. But if you're doing it, be careful and use what I'm saying wisely. If you're spot trading, anything under, like I always say, under 50 cents, 40 cents especially is a great deal. But anything under 52 cents or 50 cents when you can 2-to-1 your money, that's when you should be stacking XRP, because like we said, or like I always say, in 2021, when I told everybody to liquidate, 10,000 shares would cost you $19,800. Right now it would cost you $4,000. So that's a $15,800 savings. Take the 20% out of the 100% of your stack, buy 20% worth of XRP at your fit spot. I suggest under 40 cents, the closer to 30 cents you can make that first purchase, the better. But wherever you feel confident, don't sell it, even if it goes up to 60 cents, because that's not the end goal here. and you're building to acquire for when we get on the next bull run. And then when it gets sub 20 cents, if it gets sub 20 cents, you've already got your whole stack, but you also have 80% left. So don't be greedy. Now, before I end this update, I want to show you some information about the XRP tokenomics as somebody asked, and I actually put something together, so let's go to that real quick. Okay, so let's just go into a couple of things about XRP's tokenomics, just to answer the question in the audience and to give you guys a better understanding before I leave. Make sure to hit that like button. If you want to use the exchanges I use, MEXC, if you want to trade XRP in the USA without a VPN. If you want to use BITGET and you're around the world, you might have to use a VPN in the USA if you're a new user. If you're an old user, you can use it, but XRP, you can trade it there as well. No spot fees. If they're buy and sell, and then you can send it through your XRP ledger to wherever you want. And then also, if you want to join Tom's Army, it's in the video description below. So real quick, XRP is a digital asset created by Ripple Labs, Inc., a company that provides financial technology solutions for cross-border payments. The tokenomics of XRP are designed to facilitate fast, affordable, and secure cross-border payments. In the XRP ecosystem, XRP serves as a bridge currency, allowing users to send any currency they hold to anyone else in a different currency. In a matter of seconds, the sender converts their currency into XRP, which is then quickly sent to the recipient, who converts the XRP back into their desired currency. This process reduces the time and costs associated with traditional cross-border payment methods, as well as reduces exposure to the currency exchange rate fluctuations. One of the key features of XRP's tokenomics is its decentralization. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, XRP is not mining based and its supply is not inflationary. Instead, the total supply of XRP was created at launch and is held in escrow by Ripple Labs. As you guys know, every first of the month they release like $2 billion in the flow, and it makes a big stink because people don't understand what's going on. The company releases a portion of the XRP into circulation each month with the goal of promoting its use as a bridge currency. The tokenomics of XRP have been a subject of controversy in the cryptocurrency community. Some critics argue that the centralized nature of XRP and its relationship with Ripple Labs undermine its value proposition as a decentralized cryptocurrencies. Others argue that the tokenomics of XRP are well suited to its use case and provide significant advantage over traditional payment methods. And then finally, in conclusion, XRP's tokenomics are designed to facilitate fast, affordable, and secure cross-border payments. Its centralized nature and relationship with Ripple Labs continue to be a source of debate within the cryptocurrency community. Hopefully that helped give you a better understanding of not only the charts, but a little bit of the information behind XRP and the tokenomics, and just a better understanding overall of where Bitcoin's at right now. Pay attention to the bearish cross, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you think.